Good afternoon, everyone. So, class 9 students, let's do a quick revision of this chapter AI Reflection, Project Cycle, and Ethics. First of all, the very basic term artificial, meaning of artificial, which is not natural or intelligence. क्या होगा when we are taking the right decision by whatever the situation is, according to that situation when we are taking the decision. Now, father of AI is John McCarthy because in 1956 there was a conference where first time he has he has used this term artificial intelligence. Now, types of artificial intelligence. First one is weak AI or we can say narrow AI. So weak AI कौन सा होगा? That AI which can do only one specific task. For example, Siri or Alexa can answer your questions, whatever you will ask, but it cannot cook food for you. It can't do some other work for you. Like calculator can calculate but cannot write an essay. Okay, so these are examples of weak AI. अब strong AI कौन सा होगा? Which can think, learn and make decisions like humans in every area, not just one. ठीक है, जो humans की तरह सोच सके, decision ले सके in every area. So, for example, a robot that can cook food, play games, teach lessons, clean the house, and also talk with feelings just like humans. Okay, another example is you must have seen movie Robot where the Chitti named character is there, which shows the idea of strong AI. Now the super AI, the ultimate stage of AI. Super AI would be like smarter than human beings in every possible way. In like thinking, decision making, creativity, emotions, and problem solving. Doesn't just copy human intelligence, it goes beyond it. Now, some of the AI which we use in our daily life, like some smart devices and assistants. Smart devices we have voice assistant. If we will ask that what's up as a prediction for today, it will give you the reply. In entertainment and media, some of the examples are given. YouTube, Netflix, and Spotify. How like the AI works into it. It used to recommend the videos, movies, or the song you may like. Okay, and the video game. In video games, how the AI use has been like going on. Like now the computer players, say opponents are AI, which are behaving like human beings with us, and they are playing with us. The AI is playing with human beings. So, and another example is photo filters. Apps like Snapchat or Instagram change your look instantly by applying those filters onto you. And the next is navigation and mobility. So, the example is Google Maps, which shows us the shortest route and the traffic updates as well. And another example is cab apps जो होते हैं आपके Lola या Uber. It find out the nearest driver जो आपके ज़्यादा nearest हो, and it also gives us the suggestions for the best route. So these are the examples of AI which we use in our daily life. Here are the key domains of artificial intelligence. There are three domains of artificial intelligence. First one is data statistics. Second one is computer vision. Third one is natural language processing. Now, in data statistics, data means facts and numbers. Statistics means the study of this data. Like here, example is also given. Data is like marks of 40 students are there. Statistics is like finding the average marks, the highest marks, or making a chart. Now the computer vision, what does it mean? Computer vision means teaching computers to see and understand pictures or videos like human do. Okay. Just like our eyes and brain help us see and understand things, computer vision helps a computer or machine to see through a camera and then understand what it is looking at. Now, some of the examples are face unlock in mobile. See, when we shows our face into the phone camera, तो क्या होता है? हमारा phone unlock हो जाता है. That is your computer vision. Like the AI is seeing us and taking the decision. In Google Lens, suppose आपने एक picture click करी है of a shirt and you just upload it in Google Lens. So what does it do? It will show you the exact same shirt from which website you can buy. It will show you the pricings also from different like sellers. and it is going to tell you the price as well. Fine. Another example is self-driving cars. See, when self-driving cars, how does it work? There is a camera which used to see what the objects are coming in front of that car, and then he used to take the decisions. Fine. Another example is attendance by face recognition. You might have seen that in offices or the schools, the camera sees our face and mark attendance. Now the next domain is natural language processing. It means like computers are understanding our language and giving us the response as well in Hindi and English. And the examples are Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. Now the very important question, the AI project cycle. Suppose we have to make a project, an AI project. We should know about all these steps. First one is problem scoping. Second is data acquisition. Third one is data exploration. Then modeling, evaluation, and deployment. First one is problem scoping. It is the first stage where we are like thinking that what problem we have to sort out, why we are making this AI project to resolve which problem. That is the problem scoping. क्योंकि कोई problem होगी then only we are going to find out a solution for that. तो जो पहला आपका step होता है AI के project cycle में, that is always problem scoping. And in this problem scoping, 4 Ws are there: who, what, where, and why. Now all the points have been given that after problem scoping, data acquisition would be there, which used to gather and collect the relevant data from various sources to train and test the AI model. Data acquisition में क्या होगा? मॉडल को बनाने के लिए, AI मॉडल को बनाने के लिए we are just gathering and collecting the relevant data. And then next is data exploration. Data exploration में क्या होगा? They will decide which techniques and tools they have to use. And in modeling, which is also known as design phase, they will model, they will show you like the model of what they are thinking about. Fine. So modeling is a designing phase. And in evaluation, which is a testing phase, it checks that how that model is working correctly or not. Everyone is treating everyone fairly or not. And the last one is deployment. Once your AI project has been done, so in this stage, what we can do, we can just then that AI model would be available for everyone to use in real life. Now AI ethics. So what are ethics? Ethics, we can say moral values. We all know what is right and what is wrong. Fine. So let us have some examples, like not spreading the fake news, news using AI. We should not do like that. That हम कोई गलत खबर जो है वो फैला रहे हैं. So no spreading fake news using AI. Not using AI to cheat in exam also. Making sure AI treats everyone equally. No biasness. Now AI bias. Sometimes AI can make unfair decision because it learns from wrong or incomplete data. Fine. So bias means if like a AI is trained mostly with pictures of boys, so it may not recognize girls properly. Fine. So it will AI can make unfair decision because it learns from an incomplete data. Now the last one is data privacy. Like AI uses our personal data like photo, location, age. It must keep this data safe and not share it without permission. For example, when you use a mobile app, your photos and contacts should not be misused. So now moving on to black box problem. Okay, so what does it mean? In black box problem in AI means that the system gives us answers, but we cannot see or fully understand how it decided those answers. It means जो black box problem means क्या है कि AI हमें answer दे रहा है, but we don't know how it is deciding those answers. Okay. Now let us see some of the example. So in the first example, it is given that YouTube is recommending videos to us, but we don't know why it choose them. Okay, see when we open YouTube, so AI gives us some video suggestions, right? बट हमें ये नहीं पता कि वीडियोस क्यों हमें सजेस्ट किए गए हैं, हमने जो पुराने वीडियो देखे थे उनकी वजह से, सर्च हिस्ट्री की वजह से, या फॉर सम अदर रीजंस. फाइन. सो दिस इज नोन एज ब्लैक बॉक्स प्रॉब्लम, वेयर रीजन इज नॉट क्लियर, जहाँ पे रीजन पता ही नहीं है हमें. ओके. एंड you can see the next example. The weather app is saying that it will rain, but we don't know how it has been decided. Fine. So app is saying कल बारिश होगी, but ये कैसे डिसाइड हुआ? सैटेलाइट डेटा से, ह्यूमिडिटी से, या टेम्परेचर से? वो डिटेल ऐप हमें नहीं बताती. वी ओनली गेट द रिजल्ट. रीजनिंग इज ऑलवेज हिडन. Now moving on to the next one more example in which it is saying AI predicts exam marks, but we don't know the exact reason. मान लो AI system is saying us that ये बच्चा एग्जाम में 80 मार्क्स लाएगा. फाइन. सो हाउ दैट AI has predict this? कैसे उसने प्रेडिक्ट किया AI ने? होमवर्क से, क्लास टेस्ट से, या अटेंडेंस से? दैट वी डोंट नो. सो इसका लॉजिक छुपा हुआ है, बस आंसर सामने है. फाइन. सो दिस इज नोन एज ब्लैक बॉक्स